Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to stop itchy ears fast and easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If you have ears that are constantly itchy, this is the video for you. These are some at-home remedies that you can try out. And then obviously, if these don't work, then go seek help from a professional. Go and consult a professional, a medical professional, because there might be another reason. But these are simple, easy things that you can try and do in the comfort of your own home really easily. And they should work fast if these are the causes of your itching ears. Let's get right into it. 5 things that I'm going to tell you about. Number 1, if it's an ear infection, treat it accordingly. So let's say you know you have an ear infection and all of the signs and symptoms seem like you have an ear infection and your ears are itchy, then treat it accordingly. Go and get the right thing to get rid of your ear infection, okay? If you have an ear infection and your ears are itchy, that's probably the reason. So treat it accordingly. Number 2, it could be an earwax blockage. If one of your ears is itchy and you notice that you can't hear too well with that, do a little experiment. Go like this. And I'm just plugging either ear and I'm seeing if I notice that one ear hears better than the other. It's normal for one ear to hear a little bit better, but not significantly better, okay? If you don't know of a hearing problem that you have and one ear is much better at hearing, then you might have an earwax blockage and treat it accordingly. There are at-home things that you can do to loosen the earwax, remove the earwax, or you can go to a professional. Either way, just make sure you're being safe as possible, and only do whatever you're comfortable doing, okay? So treat that earwax blockage if you think that might be the cause or the case. And sometimes you can even see the wax build up sort of along the outside of your ear. If there's a wax blockage on the inside, that wax will slowly make its way to the outside. Long story short, the ear actually has things in it that sort of send the wax out. So if there's a lot of wax on the inside, you're going to notice an increase of wax also on the outside. I won't go into the specifics, and I don't fully know exactly how it works. I just know the ear sends the wax outwards. That's what it tries to do at least. Number 3, if there's water in your ear, get it out. Water in your ear is a cause of ears feeling itchy, okay? And definitely if you just went swimming and your ears are itchy, maybe they're irritated by the chlorine or the salt water or whatever it is, or maybe you have water in your ear. If you notice that it sounds like you're underwater a little bit, then guess what? You probably have water in your ear. Get it out. Most of the time, it's really easy to do. Go search up how to do it. I actually have a pretty popular video that I've done on how to get water out of your ears. Many years ago. I believe it's a popular one. I think it did well, if I remember correctly, but I did it a long time ago. So with that being said, get the water out of your ears. Do whatever you can, okay? That was number 3. If there's water in your ears, get it out. Number 4, if you have dry skin. So if you notice that you generally are a person that has dry skin, right? Flaking skin, stuff like that, then your ears are no exception. Believe it or not, they get dry as well. Not as dry as other areas. Like your arms will get drier, drier or more dry, I'm not sure. Your arms will get more dry. Your arms will get dry faster than your ears will. Those are the words I was looking for. But still, your ears will get dry. So if your ears have a tendency to be dry, that's probably why they're itching, because of the flaking skin. Get a moisturizer, just a general, very like a simple, natural, organic moisturizer that you would use on your face and your hands and stuff like that, and just rub a little bit on the outside of your ears. Don't go in your ears, just on the outside of your ears over here. That will help, and that moisture will then sort of make its way throughout the entire ear. But you don't want to put moisturizer in your ear, just on the outside, and then it will make its way into the ear just lightly, okay? It will make its way sort of gradually and lightly. To a lesser degree, it will go in your ear. Anyways, moving forward to the 5th and final thing, which is to take a warm shower. Now, taking a warm shower does a great deal of good for your body in general. Believe it or not, it actually lowers your blood pressure temporarily. But it also does a great deal of good for your ears if your ears are itchy specifically. Because that steam in the warm shower will loosen up the wax, okay? Plus, you're going to wash your ears, so hopefully you're probably going to remove some of that wax as you wash your ears generally, because the steam will loosen it, and as you wash your ears, the water, the soap will draw it out, okay? In addition, any dry skin will be removed. In addition, it's healthy for your ears because they're generally warmer, right? When they're warmer, they're less likely to be itchy. So there's a whole bunch of positive things, but if you're really having difficulty with your itching ears and you want some temporary relief, at the very least, that temporary relief, then you can take a warm shower and you'll at least get relief from the itchiness for hopefully at least a couple hours. And hopefully you get some better benefits as well if you do the rest of these things as well. But yeah, like at the very least, you're gonna get some temporary relief from taking that warm shower from your itching ears. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.